Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Lee's class. Today I'm going to explain how to use your Teams classroom. So there are a few things you have to remember. You have to check Teams every single day, every day. So if you're in offline class or online class, you have to check Teams every day, and the assignments will be given every day. So you have to upload your assignments in PDF file every day, okay? So check Teams every day. If you miss one day, then you're gonna fall behind. Today, I'm going to let you know how to use Teams. First, I want you to click the course you're taking right now. And in the general channel, I usually upload announcements or files and everything. You're not allowed to write anything in the general channel. And question channel, you can ask your question in the question channel. Okay, so if you have something to say or if you have any question, you can just simply click question channel and ask questions. So it can be about assignments questions, about the course, anything, right? And everyone, I want you to go to class notebook. Click on class notebook. In class notebook, in content library, click content library, and I uploaded all the completed lesson notes in class notebook content library. So click the chapter you're learning right now. So here, chapter 2, trigonometry. If you look at each section like this, I uploaded the video link. So if you click on the video link, you can watch the video, and as I go over the lesson notes in the video, you can watch the video and learn from it, alright? And this is how to use class notebook. So each section has a video link. So watch the video every day. I upload a video almost every day. So watch the video. And also, I uploaded completed lesson notes here in the File tab. So if you click on File tab and go to completed lesson notes, here all the completed lesson notes are posted here. So chapter 2 trigonometry, if you click on 2.0, you see the video link here and the lesson notes here, completed lesson notes here. And also, if you go to blank lesson notes, these are blank lesson notes. If I click on this, so chapter outline, your homework problem section and homework problems and blank lesson notes are here. So if you don't have the lesson notes, you can just simply print this out and fill in the lesson notes while watching the video. Alright everyone? And assignment. If you go to assignment tab, I upload all the assignments here. So you can just simply click one of those assignments, and I usually upload the package and the answer keys together, okay? So you solve the problems. You have to show your work always. Showing work, solve the problems, showing work, and check the answer, and correct your wrong answer. If something is wrong, you have to resolve it. Correct your wrong answer and upload the photos of your assignments online. But remember, you have to convert your photos to PDF file, okay? So if you don't know how to convert your photos to PDF file, go to files everyone, and then click class material. And I uploaded how to upload a photo of your work. Here, click this. So you need to use OneDrive app to convert your photos to PDF file. So if it is not in PDF file, I'm not going to accept it. Okay? So I'm not going to accept it. So if your assignments are multiple pages, I don't want to make single, like say your assignment is 5 pages. I don't want you to make 5 single PDF file. So when you take picture, you click this camera sign, and take a picture, crop your photo and take a picture, and I want you to add new for the next page. Don't forget to click this add new button for the next page. Don't make like 5 or 6 single PDF file. I want you to combine it to one file, one PDF file. Remember, if it is not in PDF file, I'm not going to accept it. All right? Okay, so this is how you use your Teams Classroom. So file, class notebook, assignments, those 3 tabs are really important. And all the announcements will be in general channel. And if you have any question, use question channel. Okay? Thanks for watching, everyone.